Equity is central to the City of Hillsboro's mission and core values. Equity, particularly racial equity, is essential to providing exceptional public services and creating an inclusive and safe work environment for everyone.
Equity is the pursuit of equality. We strive to advance equity work in Hillsboro by identifying disparate social and economic outcomes, by centering those who have historically been left out of the decision-making process, and by removing barriers to end disparities and achieve equality.
The city recognizes that people of color and other communities have been historically marginalized and excluded, both intentionally and unintentionally, from constructing the institutions that govern our lives and the services we depend on to protect our health, safety, and well-being.
We further acknowledge that structural and cultural barriers impact access to and representation in city government.
Without an intentional focus on equity, we will continue to perpetuate and deepen inequality.
We must ensure that all people in Hillsboro experience a sense of belonging, prosperity, and happiness regardless of race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, ability, or other individual identities.
To realize our mission and core values, the City of Hillsboro commits to integrating equity into the fabric of our organization and the delivery of public services in pursuit of equal, fair, and just outcomes for all.